Alright, this morning, heading to Shelbyville, private track. All the boys are coming. About to get it up. I got everything out. Boots and gas tanks, about to put the bikes in, dude. We're heading out. I'm gonna go grab them and we'll get going. Ready? There they are, dude. Got that new exhaust on the freaking, on the KTM. Check that seat cover, dude. Got Max's bike, Devin, Chris, the old Honda. Let's get it. And now, dude. Hey, we're getting that fuel, dude. It's the one that's not Chris's. It's the newer one. Yeah. Everything in it? Huh? She didn't respond yet. She's probably discussing it with my father. With my father figure. Oh yeah, dude. Hey, we're getting these fuels, getting a little gas, filling up the van. We're heading down to Shelbyville, dude. Ah! Yeah, I guess we're going to Jaggers. Alright, now I gotta put my belt on, dude. I've never heard of Jaggers.
You're about to figure what it is, but we're eating high class today, right?
You got any rigs behind us, dude?
Are you ready to pull out $100?
Dude, pull that mirror in. I'm looking at the bushes.
Where? I
Mirror.
hate this seatbelt, man.
I know, I always put it behind me. Dude, you gotta pull on it.
Oh.
There we go. Dude, I'm tired of this Corona shit.
Hey, it's gonna be open by...
Is that it? Yeah. Hey, that's it.
Okay, you can go ahead and pull around. Thank you.
Appreciate it. Ooh. It's a hard to start, dude.
Why don't they do two?
That don't make no sense. No f***ing way, dude. Are you goddamn kidding me?
Dude, holy
Should we drive down there?
You're gonna have to.
We made it. There's a track right there, dude. Getting it.
Check the size there. Oh my god.
Tires, dude. Holy dude, it was slapping the side.
Dude, fucking out.
Jeez, bro. It's crazy. All right, boys. Dude, the tires blown. But hey, we're gonna rip real quick. Deal with it later. Maybe one of the boys will come pick us up with my trailer. So we'll see. Stay tuned, bro. About to get riding. Dudes, I got the spare out. Let's say Oh hell, dude, I don't know.
That one looks like it might fucking blow out too.
This is pretty bad. I might send it, dude.
Alright, dude. We're in session. Blew the tire on the van. Doing a tire swap.
Yeah, really?
There's a fucking party there all the time.
Really?
Huh?
There's parties there?
Yeah, all the time. Boys, it's hot, dude. The day's over. We're packed up. We're heading out. Devin's tired. But hey, it's all good, dude. It was a good day.
Dude, you're tired too.
I'm tired. We're all tired. It's dusty as shit right now, dude. But hey, it's been a good day, dude. PowerShift out, brother.